on this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple motion graphics. Okay, this is a quick step. First thing first, you need to create a folder. From the folder, you need to synchronize in your After Effects. So whatever created on your folder have to be same destination on your After Effects. So this is basic step from point A to point B. So I create a simple circle here, shapes. Then I create a 2 points and I adjust the position. Okay, and this is the most important part in motion graphics, which is you use the keyframe over here. Okay, as you can see, it's the motion is, so you can control the smoothness of the animation. So you create point A to point B, and by adjusting the keyframes and adjusting the graph, you can get a smooth transition like this. Okay, so this is what I created. So you duplicate all the text one by one. Then from there, I define how long the duration that I want to put on every text. So I put a position. Then from 0 to 1 second. So I decide to put, then I just manually adjust the keyframe so that you have a stacking, like one by one come in like this. So you need to understand that you create manual keyframes. So from there you have to make it smooth. Then I put a motion blur. So you can see the movement looks like a shadow. It's like a blur movement. So we call that as a motion blur. Keyframe in between 3 points so that you can have this curve. Okay, move over that I want to show you how to to combine all the elements, as since like you create a pre-comp. For instance, that this pre-comp called focus is in one pre-comp, which is one animation in one group of set of animation that you create separately. Then you have, for instance, over here you have the kinetic line. So I animate manually, as since like I animate in the different group. Then after that you combine to one composition. Then from there you can remix and you can adjust the keyframe. Once you understand how to create all these keyframes, right, it might look simple as 1 second to 10 seconds, but it takes a lot of hard work. So once you understand the movement, once you understand the positions in between two keyframes, then you can adjust based on how you want the animation looks like. So this takes a lot of practice, but make it simple, as since like you have to start from somewhere and you have to understand that this kind of animation depends on how you understand the keyframes. Okay, and of course there's a lot of tutorial on YouTube, on the internet, this and that, but what most important on these lessons, right, I want you to understand that it's very important for you to create a basic keyframe. So from there you learn. That is the key point of learning After Effects, which is you make a movement by understanding how to control the keyframe. I hope that you can understand these simple basic animations. See you guys on the next videos. So stay home, stay productive, and stay focused.